Hi, this is the Lego something. Well, it's Lego truck that goes in lava. It's all lava proof. But first, start off with the coolest thing. So sirens, they cost $106. Yeah. For all wheels, and for this, and for everything on here. It has all the cool stuff. Yeah. And look at, you can pull it out like, that's a long, probably 100. You can like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's counted at it'll probably go to 80. No, maybe not 80, but it would count a lot. So roll it up. Maybe not roll it up right now.
And show us the clips at the back. Very cool. So it has 6 wheels and a lot of windows. And what else?
Cabinet.
Very cool. Well, you did a really nice job. And what kind of truck is it?
It's a truck that has 3 wheels because it can go in lava.
Oh, it's a lava truck.
Yeah. It never burns at all. And so that's pretty much it.
All right. Do you want to say anything to your viewers?
So this is how long it took. That's the chassis I built. Chassis. And click to subscribe. Leave thumbs up if you like the Lego videos. Leave a comment.
All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.